it in the race and floor it. Drove it like you stole it. You gonna pull him out? You should be able to pull him out. Come on, get on there. There you go. A little bit. Okay, somebody's rode down the hill. We stopped up here. Oh my gosh. Come along. You gotta come along. That's the big deal, man.
He was going down.
You know, yeah.
Yeah, down.
Yeah, just keep your keep your arms in and.
Hop in and be ready to drive. There's the wheel kit. If I come down here with you, I'm going to be screwed good. I will go get my dad. But now it wouldn't matter. You need a you have to have.
Man, I'm telling y'all, it's steep as crap, boy. He went down it. He was trying to go down. All right, Scott. What'd y'all do? Y'all got him back upright? And
I watched. I didn't do nothing.
Well, I know, but
that Can-Am was in one gully, running his winch up the hill, around a tree, and then down to the other guy.
And just lowered him.
Controlled him off about a 4-foot drop.
Yeah, that was right behind him.
Right behind him. Yeah, there's no way up. He had another drop. He had another cliff in front of him.
But they got him right side up, backed him down the hill, so good for
not
YouTube.
Not that many parts fell off of it.
Yeah. What'd he say? He just broke a mirror. Long ways down, boy. Lucky nobody died on that one. Right here on Bat Out of Hell Racing. Come get you some. Here he comes. It'll be the green one. Right there. That green one. It's that green one right there. Get her done.
Just a broken mirror.
I did that with my head getting in it.
Getting in it, huh?
I hit my head on that mirror, that strap broke.
Golly. Holy cow.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, it didn't hit anything. I was just riding on the flat trail and it went up between them. That was already bent like that. Look at that. I wasn't even doing anything on the bent.
Incredible. Come get you some, man. Y'all go ahead, I'm recording. All right, let's follow these goobers. In the woods. Our little group here. 3-wheeler, 2-wheeler, the Manco Deuce and the Polaris. Oh, crap. Oops. We've been running the shoreline and now we're out in the woods. Batman bringing up the rear. Oh, man. Lots of razors out here, a lot of razors. And a lot of dune buggies and VW rails. Scott's on the Deuce Man's on a 3-wheeler. Alright. What's that?
Well, you want to put it in low.
Oh, do it? Okay.
It'll be slower stuff. Push it forward, just kind of wiggle it.
Alright. Y'all heard that, putting it in low. Here we go. I'm just gonna let it record. Fix it to get technical. Lots of hills. Dang, here we go. Of course, I've got 4-wheel drive on demand, which I just put on. 4-wheel drive, no problem. Golly, technical. All right, taking it out of 4-wheel drive. Catch up. Up on the mountaintop. I'm about out of hell racing. Boy, that's a long ways down right there, Bubba. Going downhill. Still got it in low gear. No brakes. I mean, I got brakes, but I'm not using them. In the woods. Big rock. Oh. Not too muddy out here, even though we just had some rain. Going into four-wheel drive. Watching the man go here. He's got a daughter with him. There they go. Uh-oh, now it's my turn. Four-wheel drive and low. Can he do it? Holy crap on the cracker. Yee-haw, no problem. Better not be, I'm in four-wheel drive. Uh-oh, may have to ride the brakes here a little bit. Technical, downhill. Holy crap. Everybody's riding them brakes. I can hear them up here. Uh-oh, technical. Up the hill. Still in four-wheel drive. Oh, stomp. Four-wheel drive. I'm still in low. All right, we're in high. Looks like we're coming out to the beach. Be coming up on a big bridge. This is beautiful out here.